Hey guys, finally napanood ko na ang Step Up. Step Up 4? 4 Revolutions. Sama si Kyle. Dun 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 dun. It's a fun movie. Kasama ko si Kyle at si Mami. Mami, hello! Hello! Dun 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 dun. Kung alam nyo lang, pagkatapos ng movie, si Mami sumasayaw. After ng movie, palabas ng sinehan. Sumasayaw siya, parang. Ganun daw. So, after rehearsals, kinita ko sila Mami, tsaka si Kyle. Kasi si Daddy had to work. Diba? Pa-cute! So, we're actually in front of a bench store. So, nga pala, next month, September 13-14, Bench Universe sa SMD Arena, kaya pumunta kayo doon. Pumunta kayo sa benchtm.com, I think, para malaman kung paano kumuha ng tickets. So, para makanood kayo, alright? So, I'm happy na panood ko ang Step Up at magamit ang mga moves sa Party Pilipinas. So once again, I bring to you Mami Linda. Dun 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 dun. Paano yung dance?
Ang galing nun, paano kaya yun?
Ang tawag nung crumpet. Angry dancing. Mami, isa lang. Dun 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 dun. So, it's good to watch dance movies kasi napapasayaw si Mami dahil doon napapa-exercise siya. Oh. Si Kyle magaling din sumayaw eh. Panoorin niyo. So, today is a good day. Got to bond with my family. Now we're going home and rest. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. I have a styling workshop bukas. Yep. And then I'm gonna hit the gym and then technical rehearsal. So, ingat. See you guys again. Keep visiting roconasino.com.ph for more updates, more video vlogs, more content soon. Sana. So, see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Kyle, bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Mami, bye-bye.
Bye!
Papanoorin mo. Malamang papanoorin ito lagi sa website. Kasi nakita niya yung sarili niya. At ginawa niya sayaw niya. Dun 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 dun. Sayaw, isa lang. Dun 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 dun. Bye guys.